What's up everybody, Tony here with iTechCheck, and we're continuing our case lineup for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Today we're going to be looking at the Ringke cases. Now, I've been using Ringke cases ever since I've had the Galaxy S10 Plus. I love them. They offer great protection, they're stylish, and they're also at a great price. So here we have quite a few in their case lineup. This one is the Fusion X. This one is the Air, and this one is the Fusion. Now, the Fusion and the Fusion X are military grade drop tested. The Air is not, but it still gives you a great protection. So here we have our Galaxy S20 Plus. We're going to go ahead and put on the Fusion X cases first. So here we have blue, the camo, and the black with the clear backing. Now, these cases come with this sticker on the back and on the inside that you have to remove before you use the case, and that's to protect the the backing from getting all scratched up before it gets to you. So, okay, so all the stickers are removed, and as you can see, it's that nice crystal clear backing. So we'll go ahead and put on our S20 Plus. It pops right in, and I have the black, obviously, and that gives a little blue accent. This has some excellent edge protection for your phone, and as you can see, it's got a raised edge on the front and the back, or the top or the bottom. You got your cutouts for USB Type-C, your speaker, and your microphone, and then your mic there. And it also has a raised edge around the camera to protect it when you put it down on the back. Buttons, they're always super responsive. That's another reason why I love the Ringke cases. The buttons are easily accessible and they're easy to find. They're just raised enough. It does not add hardly any bulk to the phone. It also has little lanyard holes right here. Feels good in the hand. Like I said, the buttons, always nice and clicky. So that's the Fusion X blue. We'll go ahead and put on the camo. I'm partial to this camo when I have this one on my iPhone 11 Pro right now. Look at that. The edge protection and the back protection with all these rubber bumpers here. It's really good. So that's the camo. Looks good with the black phone. And again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos, because I have a ton of cases that I need to review for you guys, and I also have a ton of screen protectors that I'm going to be reviewing. So if you guys want to know which the best cases are and the best screen protectors are, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. So this is the camo. Here's the black border with the clear backing. Again, real easy to snap the phone in, and it stays in there no matter what. I've dropped my phone quite a few times, and there's no damage. Very nice. Fusion X, my favorite case. And all of their cases do work with wireless charging as well, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's move on to the Fusion. We'll go ahead and do their matte series. Okay, so here is their Fusion Matte series. It's got a nice hard backing with a rubber edge here, and the main selling point for the matte version is it's got like that frosted backing, so it doesn't show fingerprints like some of the other clear ones do. I kind of like that, so let's go and put this on the phone. This is in case you want to show off the color of your phone, and it's, like I said, it's got that nice matte backing, so it doesn't show fingerprints. It's got all your cutouts on the bottom there, your power buttons, and again, it has that nice raised edge. So even if you do have a glass screen protector on here, you're still going to get that edge protection. The buttons, super clicky again. Very nice, and again, this is military grade drop tested. I like that matte. Okay, and then we have the Fusion Clear. It's just like the matte, but it's clear. It does not have a frosted back. Raised edge, all the cutouts, the buttons here. Again, super responsive, very nice. You can always count on Ringke to make some good cases. And then they have the raised edge for the camera there. And again, these work perfectly fine with wireless charging. That looks like glass, doesn't it? Look at that. Okay, so let's move on to their Air series. So this one is the lightest case that they have, and it's also the most flexible. It's made all of the same material. It doesn't have that hard backing like all the other ones do. This one is just super flexible. This one's not military drop tested, but it's still going to give you some good protection. It's got that raised edge. Pretty much looks like the Fusion, but again, it's all, you know, that flexible material. Buttons, responsive, super clicky, and it's clear. Now this has these like these little micro dots in it to help minimize that rainbow effect like you might see on some of the other cases. So out of all these cases that you've seen today, what cases do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. I definitely feel comfortable recommending Ringke cases to you guys. Like I said, I've been using them for quite some time now, and they do not disappoint. And I will be putting a link to all these cases in case you guys want to check them out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link to purchase these, because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So again, this is just one in a long line of cases for the Galaxy S20. So if you guys haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you do, and hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.